I want to do the sticky ribs, the deviled egg season. All right, you guys. So we have our first appetizers, which are the sticky ribs. Okay, we got some starters. So let me give y'all a little sneaky peeky. Get into it, get into it. We're gonna test these out. Oh my God. Oh my God. First off, hold on. I thought that was gonna be like super stupid spicy, and I don't really like super spicy. That was perfect. That's how it's supposed to be made. I wanna give that like I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10, because I need some more of that sauce. Drench it in the sauce, in that hoisin sauce. But that's fine. Cooked to perfection. I'm talking about finger licking. Good. All right, y'all, so here is my drinks for the night. I have a tequila flight, lime, strawberry, watermelon, mango. All right, so we're gonna start by testing the lime. Let's see. It's some liquor in this cup. That's good. Then we're gonna get into this strawberry. Ooh. Y'all know I'm a strawberry girl. I'm gonna drink this up. And then we got watermelon. Oh my God, the watermelon tastes like watermelon. All right, and here is the mango. Between the mango and the strawberry are probably my favorite, y'all. This right here, this mango with that tahini, give it spicy. The drinks is on 10 right now. It's got a fried pickle on it. This is a deviled egg cornbread fed Caesar salad. This is cornbread. I'm a regular girl and I love Caesar salad. And I feel like an egg is the one thing Caesar salad be missing, so. I'm getting cornbread. That's fine. I don't know who big back thought of that, but y'all, come to my house. The crust or the breading or whatever is on this thing, y'all, it's a jalapeno pepper.